Peter D'Souza
Yeah. Hello.
has
Good morning.
Peter, तू काम केला त्यांच्या बरोबर फादर बॉलमॅक्सा बरोबर. We have seen.
Yes.
Also to local, I think. Are you also a parish? Sorry, also a parishioner there?
No, I'm not a parishioner there. It's Chikalim Church, which is close by to me actually.
And how were you associated with him? आम्ही पहिला एज अ सोशल कॉज एसोसिएट जाल्लो असं तुवें बायोडायवर्सिटीचेरूय काम करतना you are associated with him.
Yes. It's very saddening to hear this morning regarding our beloved late father Bolmex Pereira. Okay, it was really unexpected. We were hoping that he would come back to us, then continue the work and giving us the guidance. What we Sankwalkar, what we Chikalim people, the youth of Chikalim also, and all over Goa people were hoping that he would come back and continue his good works. But unfortunately, God has other plans, I think. देवान चितली ते आमकां खबर ना. देवाची wish दिसता म्हाका. So सांगपा म्हणल्यार when Father Bolmex first started communicating with me in a very social way, in terms of helping people, was during the Bhutani project. When when I first started the Bhutani project protest, Father Bolmex was the first one to come and give me the guidance, give me the support, give me the push also. म्हाका सांगलें कितें करपाचें, कशें करून मुखार सरपाचें, मागीर कोणा लॉयराक कॉन्टेक्ट करपाचें. And he also guided me in many ways. Plus, he came for a protest also. Not only regarding Bhutani or the Sankwal village, it's also regarding the biodiversity which is along the coast of Chikalim and Sankwal. The mangroves, he was very close, affectionate regarding the mangroves which are there in the border of Zuari River. तेणें आमकां खूब शिकोवन दिलें आमकां शिकयलें तेणें आमकां कशें करून ते मँग्रुव्ज रोवपाक. तेणें एक वॉट्सॅप ग्रूप बसून केलोलो. ग्रूप अजून एक्टीव आहा. आनी त्या ग्रुपाक हांव बसून चयताले. थिंग लोक सांगतालो, मेंबर्स सांगताय, वी वील कंटिन्यू द वर्क ऑफ फादर बॉलमॅक्स म्हणून. वी वील कंटिन्यू सेविंग आवर मँग्रुव्ज बिकॉज दॅट इज द व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ इकोलॉजी सिस्टम इन सांकवाल एंड चिकालीम एरिया.
सो ताजें काम फुडें व्हरपाची सद्या गरज आसा. वी हॅव लॉस्ट हिम, अनफॉर्च्युनेटली वी हॅव लॉस्ट हिम, बट ताजें काम फुडें व्हरपाची गरज आसा. मायट बी इन द फील्ड ऑफ म्युझीक, द वे ही ब्रॉट टुगेदर यूथ अँड फॉर्म द बँड, मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रिझर्विंग बायोडायवर्सिटी, की शेतां पडींग उरूं जायना म्हणून. डोंट यू थिंक की ताजें काम फुडें व्हरप इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रिब्यूट वी कॅन गीव टू दीस ग्रेट सोल?
Definitely. Not only music and not only biodiversity, he was also into farming. तेगे एक क्लब हा, चिकालीम यूथ क्लब हा, चिकालीम यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब म्हणून हा तेगेलो. तितून ते यूथ अजून पण तेजे बरोबर हालोले. ते एक्चुअली सेम यूथ घेवन तो पिकनिक वचपा लागलो. नॉट ओनली दोज, अलॉंग विथ द पेरिशनर्स ऑल्सो, विथ फ्यू ऑफ द यूथ पेरिशनर्स. आणि ही वॉज टिचिंग फार्मिंग ऑल्सो. ही वॉज शोईंग द यूथ, आमचे चिखलेचे आणि सांकवालचे यूथ जे आहे ते, तो तांकां शिकयतालो रिगार्डिंग सस्टेनेबल फ्रुटींग ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स अँड फ्रुट्स. सो तेंय शिकयतालो. सो दॅट तेंगे फळ मेळटाले आनी ते हिंगताले ऑन द रोड्स एंड ऑल. दे वर सेलिंग, दे हॅविंग फार्मर्स मार्केट. ते जायते शिकयता तो. And plus he was a lecturer. He was teaching students in Sankwal Perpetual School in Kortali. So he was a very dynamic. Not only dynamic, he was a leader, and he showed us that sacrifice of himself, what he sacrificed for the people of Goa and for people of this Sankwal and Chikalim. How to be a true leader also. Then आम शिकयला ते गुण ते अजून आमचेर आहा आनी उत्तोले जाणा आमचे सगळे युथाचेर हिंगा आमचे कोर्ताली आनी चिकालीम पंचायती कडेन.
Peter, I have spoken to so many people since morning, and they are not only from Chikle, but wherever he has, he was a parish priest. Wherever he has gone, भुरग्यांक ताची याद आसा. I have seen people sharing their photograph with Father Bolmex, how he was with everyone. So he was just not a priest, म्हणून तो आपले जो ऑरा स्प्रेड करतालो पळय, ताका लागून ही वॉज मोस्ट पॉप्युलर आय थिंक एमॉंग्स यूथ, एमॉंग इवन एल्डरली, इवन पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो यूज टू लायक हिम, की आमच्या भुरग्यांक एक योग्य मार्गदर्शन दाखोवपी एक फादर आसा म्हणून.
First and foremost, he is a father. Okay, priest to आमचो Catholic religionचे. More than that, he also did activism. He also preached not only in the walls of the church, he also preached outside the church. In preaching in what way? In doing good. ते आमकां ते म्हणटा घोडो सांगलोलें म्हणला की आमचे ते बरे गुण जे तेणें आमकां दिलाय युथाक. येस, यू आर रायट, रुपेश बाब, that he is not only taught about Goa in terms of Chikalim and Kortalim. He is done everywhere in Goa, even in his own hometown, Kepe. Even over there, when I went to meet him once in Kepe when his father had expired, हांव थिंग गेलोलो मेळपाक फादरीक, आनी थिंग बसून जायते लोक, हजारांनी लोक येयलो आनी ताका उलयताले, ताका वेल विशेस घालोले. Even they were talking very good about father. So he continues his work, and I'm sure with us we will continue his work also, his good deeds.
I think personally also I would request you, Peter, and also among all the youths, that the kind of the mission that he started, you all should continue with it. We as a media, we as an individual, as citizen of Goa, will always be with you all. But we should not let Father Bolmex down as far as his missions are concerned. So we should take forward his mission, and I think somewhere where he is in heaven, he must be watching and he must be feeling ki yes, whatever I have left here back on this earth, they are taking it forward. Don't you think?
Definitely. Rupesh Bab, I was telling the group, which WhatsApp group, all the members in the group as well, that we will continue his work of biodiversity, what he did, what he preached us, what he taught us. आम केश कोन झाड रोवपाची, केश कोन ते आमगे मॅनग्रोव्स सेव करपाची. We will continue that work. That will be our tribute to Father Bolmex. Each plant we grow, each mangroves we grow, it will be a tribute to Father Bolmex, and we will see that we continue his good work. This I will take forward with the group which I am in, plus the biodiversity group of Sankwal, where he also was a part of it. I will tell them also that we will continue his work, and whatever teachings he's given us for the past so many years, we'll continue his work.
Thank you very much, Peter, for joining us. तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.